All right, let's walk through how to use the Portfolio Manager inside the tip tool to guide your patent strategy. First, from the main navigation, open the Portfolio Manager and select the portfolio you want to work with. Right at the top, you'll see a set of graphs. No need to click anything, they load automatically. That first one's a donut chart. It gives you an instant breakdown of what's patented, what's still pending, what's been abandoned, what's expired. Basically, a status snapshot across the board. You can click on or off each slice if you want to focus on a specific category. Right next to it, you'll see a scatter plot. This one's all about prosecution efficiency. It shows every granted application and how many rounds of arguments it took to get there. If something's way up on the y-axis, you know it took too many rounds. Maybe that one needs a strategy review next time.
Now scroll down. You're in the full list view. This is where you get all your patent applications in one place. You'll see tabs like US applications, foreign applications, drafting applications, and applications not synced. These help you navigate the types of filings you're managing. Or if you want something more advanced, open the Advanced Search panel and combine fields to build a precise filter. If the table looks cluttered, click Edit Columns at the top right. You can choose exactly what data shows up. That'll also carry over to exports. So if you're prepping for a team report, you only export what's needed. Now let's dig into a single application. Click any row and it opens the full record. First up, bibliographic data, docket number, filing date, internal IDs. Make sure that's accurate, especially if you're linking this to internal projects. Below that, you'll see other patent details with a value scores. If it's a 5 on value, maybe that's a good one to prioritize for a continuation. If it's low, maybe it's time to reevaluate. Then there's the summary field. Use this to capture business relevance, claim scope, or anything that helps others understand why this filing exists. Keep it current, and especially if the claims change. Need the PDF of the application? Scroll to the application timeline and just click into any event, like an office action or an OA. If a document's there, the link will appear, and you can download it in one click. Check the cost data too. You'll see what's already spent and what's projected. Compare that against the value rating. If the cost is piling up and value's unclear, maybe it's time to make a call. Under that, you've got prosecution metrics. Which examiners assigned, their allowance rate, how many rounds they usually take. You'll also see the art unit and how that unit performs. All of this helps you forecast effort and cost and adjust strategy early. Then you've got the application timeline, a visual layout of every key event. Use this to track the flow of the case, find bottlenecks, or spot gaps in law firm activity. Need attorney info? That's listed too. Update if it's missing, or reach out directly if you're preparing for an interview or OA response. At the bottom, check out the continuity data. This tells you if the filing is a continuation, divisional, or CIP. Use this to plan future filings, or spot areas where your family tree can expand or consolidate. Now with all this on one page, you can ask the right strategic questions. Is this aligned with our product roadmap? Should we file a continuation? Is it time to abandon or double down? You can make those decisions based on real-time data, right inside the Type tool, TM. And that's how you use Portfolio Manager to drive a smarter, faster, and more strategic patent program.